Go. As you saw in the beginning of this video, you can see what this product's going to be. We just ordered this on Amazon. It came today. Now these retail at £74 and a few pence. Ordered it last night. It's arrived this morning, and yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick unboxing because I'm going to be using this product in a few videos that have coming up in there in the next week or so. So yeah, it's the Lava Rock. It's like an eating kit for anyone who's into cooking things there and then, as you're looking at your plate, basically, as you saw in the video. Anyway, so we'll just quickly unbox this. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to have a look at these yourself. They're on Amazon. Okay, so inside the box we've got the standard. Okay, so we've got a 10% off your next purchase. Not too bad. File that to the side for now. We've got the basic instruction sheet on how to use this in different languages. Obviously I'm going to be reading this in English, and then we come to the main board, which again, nice, and then we've got the serving plate. We've got the 3 holders for your sauces or condiments, whatever you're going to use in that. And the final piece of the puzzle is the board itself, the Lava Rock. Now there's some weight in that. That's been nicely finished. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pause the video for one tick, and we'll get all this box and cardboard out the way, and then we'll show you the presentation of how this thing looks. Okay, so there's a product as you would be using it, and you serve it like this. Bring it over the table. I was in a restaurant doing a video. Check out one of my other videos in the link. I'll leave a link in the description of the video anyway, of this restaurant that had just got into using these, and their customers were loving it. So the idea is you bring over your food, you know, chips or salad, etc. on there. This will be boiling hot or really hot. You leave them in the oven for, I will tell you now, the exact timing. So right, so what you got to do first is you've got to heat this in an oven, probably to temper it, from placing a cold oven, 200 degrees centigrade for 40 minutes, and then let it allow to cool. Then your rock is ready to use. That must, I don't know what that'll do to it, but it's probably tempering it in some way. And then yeah, it's basically, you can stick it in the oven for, let's have a look. Stick in the oven for around 40 minutes to get it up to the right temperature, and then it's ready to use. So you'd get your meals prepped, or get your meal prepped first. Anything you're going to put on here, any sauces, and then this is at the right temperature. You take it over to the table. What I did, or what was done for me at the restaurant, was they sprinkled this with a bit of salt, and then they just put a fresh steak on there, and it started to sizzle away. It was just amazing. And then yeah, watching it sizzle, smells gorgeous. You get the idea, you saw the video. So yeah, I just thought I'd just give a quick review of this. Presentation wise, it looks great. It's really nice quality. Everything feels nice and weighty. And on the side of the rock itself we have some branding, just some little plastic feet on the bottom, nice and simple, but there you go. Okay, so follow my channel for some more videos. I'm going to do some cooking videos with this in the next week or so, and yeah, you can see the results once again of me using this at home. Okay, doke. See you in the next one. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you again soon. Bye.